this is Munib, growth strategist at Growth Beyond Horizon. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can add a product in your current Shopify store. This is the first Shopify admin page that you guys will see after logging in your Shopify admin. Just simply click on products and this will open a new window here. Here you can see all of your products that you have already listed with the status active. Just simply scroll down and you will see all the products. And if you want to create another product, just click on add a product and this window will appear. Here you can create a whole new product listing. First, I'm gonna copy a product title from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now I'm gonna copy the description as well. Let's copy the description and simply paste it here. I'm just uploading a single picture, but you guys can upload multiple pictures and videos as well. I'm uploading a picture of a plastic gun. That is a toy gun we are going to set up right now. Just scroll down, select the pricing. See, the first price box is the price that you are going to offer, and the second price box is for the comparison price. See, I have mentioned 1499 rupees here, and at the second box I'm gonna mention 2399. I'll show you guys how this looks when the product is live. Scroll down. Here you mention the units you have in the warehouse right now. Let's say we have 50 units. Just scroll down. Here's the box package size. Here I'm gonna mention the weight of the product. Let's say it's of 20 grams. I'm gonna select gram from here. If you have any other variants of the product, you can add it from here. Variants options, and here it has already picked up the size, material plastic, recommended age 3 years or plus, and here I'm gonna select the category twice so that this product will by default go to the twice section. The vendor name is 7th card. If you have any type, you can select it from here, and if you have any tags related to the product, you can select it from here as well. We don't have a tag for this one, so simply scroll down and click on save. After clicking on save, this will take some few seconds and your listing is ready. See, the product status is active. Now let me just show you guys how our product listing is looking on our store. See, this is the store. We'll go in the categories, and I'm scrolling down. I'm gonna go in the twice section as we have mentioned the product in twice category. See, this is the twice section. Here I have two listings. One is already created and this is the one that we just created. So this is simple and the product is live. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more e-commerce solutions.